It's crazy how some people think the law doesn't apply to them until reality hits hard. These Karens thought they could outsmart the cops, but it didn't end well for them. At Law Files US, we expose what happens when arrogance collides with authority. Let's see what happens, because when psycho Karens realize they've got felony charges, it never ends well. Let's start with the first case, when a simple traffic stop turns into a full-blown mess.
But my phone don't have no data. That's the thing. I don't have no data on my phone.
Step out of the car. It's a lawful order. It is a lawful order to step out of the car. Bring your phone with.
On July 28, 2025, officers pulled over a car for speeding. The driver seemed polite at first, claiming she was just rushing to work at UPS. But that excuse was only the beginning of the story.
How's it going? How you doing? Good, good. You know how fast you're going?
I'm in a rush to work, sir. I'm sorry.
Where are you trying to get to?
To work.
Where do you work?
I work at UPS.
Charles 96259.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I work at UPS.
UPS?
Yes.
Charles
You got a driver's license or insurance on it?
I don't have my driver's license on me, but you can look it up for it. But I have my insurance on me.
You have one though?
I do.
Oh, you just don't have it on you? Alright.
Yeah.
Do you have the insurance on you too? What time you gotta be at work?
At 3 o'clock.
Is there any letter that I may be missing?
Give me 1 second, alright?
Okay.
I can't find you in our system. You say your name is Cachet?
Yes, Cash.
Okay, you don't have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me.
Do you have any other ID on you?
I don't.
No?
You got the right birthday?
You gave me 7/20,
2002?
2002, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not coming back. Nothing's coming back. It's 2002?
Yeah.
You told me 2000.
No, I said 2002.
2002? What did you say your first name was?
Cachet.
Cachet? What did you just tell her?
The same thing.
You said SHANTEL. Chantel.
I did not. That's my sister.
That's your sister?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my sister's car.
This is your sister's car?
Yeah, the insurance that I showed you, this is my sister's car.
Okay. Let me try one more time.
Who owns the car?
Huh?
Who owns the car?
My sister. This is my sister's car.
What's your sister's name?
Chantel.
Do you know her birthday?
It's 08. It's August the 27th.
Okay. Do you know what year? Do you have anything with your name on it?
I don't at the moment.
Photo of your ID?
No license, no ID, and a name the officer can't find anywhere. That's a huge red flag. The cops stay calm, but they already know something's not right.
Photo works. Or like an insurance card with your name on it, or anything on your phone's fine.
No, again, this is my sister's car.
No, I know, no. I mean
just showed
like
him
health
the
insurance, anything. Yeah, just something with your name on it. Or if you have a photo of an ID, that's perfect too. You going home?
No, I'm going to work.
Or where do you work at?
I work at UPS.
Oh, okay. In Hodgkins or?
In Hodgkins.
Okay. You still work over there. You know the... Never mind.
What?
Never mind. I'm thinking of the other one.
Oh.
Willow Springs one.
Oh, no, that's
the same one?
Yes,
You know the
same
barn
one.
across the street? There's like a horse farm on the back side of it. I used to work at the farm there.
Okay, I never seen the back.
Yeah, you gotta go. It's nice. Yeah, a photo of your ID or something.
I got a new phone, so let me see.
He's looking for a photo.
Yeah. Do you have like a debit card or anything? Something with your name on it?
I left my purse at home.
You don't have anything on?
Nothing, like no
Nothing.
identification. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I'm not even joking.
Keep looking.
Okay.
Or like a photo of your health insurance or any work, like a pay stub from work, banking.
Email.
Probably
Something
not
directed to
email.
you. Something directed to you.
Like I said, I have a new phone. Like I just got this phone yesterday, so it's like I don't have much
Well,
information
everything looks
yet.
like it's transferred over.
No.
You gotta have your license on you. You have to keep it present when you drive. Okay, and we're just having a hard time. We just want to make sure you are who you say you are, and then we can clear you out of here. So, you know, that's all we're waiting for.
You don't have like a name tag or something from work or So you're going to UPS right now?
They don't give us a name, sir.
Don't give y'all anything?
No, we just have to punch in with our number.
I got it. Well, just pull up a pay stub from work or banking app.
But my phone don't have no data. That's the
What do you
thing.
mean?
I don't have no data on my phone.
So you don't have your driver's license, you don't have your purse, you don't have anything that can verify your
I
name?
don't, not at the moment. I'm sorry. I was running late to work. I came from a family function.
You're going to have to pull up something. I can't just let you go without verifying who you are.
Are you Chantal?
I'm not Chantel. I'm Cachet.
Okay. Are you lying to us?
No.
Okay. What birthday did you give him the first time?
I gave him July 20th, 2002.
Okay. And did you spell your name with a K?
I do not. My name is spelled with a C.
Okay.
C-A-S-H-A-Y.
I just need to see something, anything, that has your name on it. And I don't think it's that hard, because there's a million options on your phone. A pay stub from work, a work email. You can log into something.
Again, ma'am,
No,
I don't have no
I'm
data
telling
on my
you,
phone to log into anything.
You
to
can
show
log
you.
into anything that has your name on it.
Then what I just say? I don't have no data on my
pull up
phone.
something that has your name on
You
it.
have the internet.
I do not have the internet.
Everyone has the
I can show you that I do not have the internet.
Go to your email.
I can't. My email is.
You should still be able to pull it up. Just go on your phone, go to your email.
Watch how the officers stay calm. They give her every chance to prove who she is, but she refuses each one. Like a true Karen, she acts as if it's her right to say no to everything.
My email is not going to show because I don't have no data, sir.
Just go to your email. Pull up anything. Oh, it should be a 2. Does it say 2?
I don't have no data to show you anything, sir.
This is, you have a bunch of emails here.
I do, but I'm saying it's like no data to show you anything, sir. I don't have no data to pull up anything to show you. Like it's not going to load. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like I'm not.
Let's see. Do you have any other apps or anything? Can you go to your homepage? Instagram. Instagram.
It's not going to show you.
Go to your homepage. I mean, yeah. Go to the top.
It's not going to load.
Hey,
Because
just
I don't have no
load it. Go to
data.
the top. You're Chantel.
No, this is another like I have
Chantel.
multiple. I have multiple accounts.
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying, sir.
You have multiple accounts. Why would you have
Look.
Chantel's account?
This is my sister's account.
Okay. What's Chantel? Hey, what's Chantel? Her driver's license. What's the status? Man, can you step out of the car? Step out of the car. She just pulled up her Instagram and said Chantel.
I have multiple accounts. That's what I'm telling you.
All right,
This is my
just
sister.
step out and then we'll figure out more, okay? All right, just let's talk first. Let's talk first. Step out of the car. It's a lawful order. Okay, step out of the vehicle. If you do not step out of the vehicle, he will remove you from the vehicle. It is a lawful order to step out of the car. Bring your phone with. You want her to look? Which one?
Alright, come to the back part.
Smile. No.
No, it's not. I can't even make it to work,
Let's see
bro.
your teeth. Let's see your teeth. So what? So, like, we all know why we're here, right? He explained to me.
He said I was speeding.
Yeah, well, yeah, but
Okay, I'm
why
gonna
we're all
have this
here now? Why we're all standing outside our car?
because he think I'm lying about my name.
You don't have anything with your ID on it?
I do not, sir. I'm telling them my phone don't have no internet to load like the browser.
Okay, but you don't have like a wallet on you. You don't have anything. Like, where are you going right now?
I'm going to work. I work at
You
UPS.
don't take anything with you to work?
No.
Do you have your ID? Your badge to get in? You
No, we have to punch in.
don't
Where's
have
your work
ID?
stuff?
It's in my car, sir. My work stuff is in my car. You want to see?
Shoes?
My shoes is in
No,
my
you
car.
can stay back here, man. Stay
My
back here.
shoes and all my uniform is in my car, sir. My shoes is everything.
What about whose purse is this?
This is my sister's car again.
352
She just makes sure I get to work.
I'm just having a hard time with you not pulling anything off. I think that's where we're all at.
Go back to your Instagram. If you have more than one account on Instagram,
yeah.
then show me.
I do. I have more than one account.
I thought you said you don't have internet.
I do not, but I can log in. Like I can't.
You can't log into different accounts.
I can switch the account.
Go back to your Instagram.
Here you go.
I scroll to the top and it says
look,
Chantel.
exactly, and this is another account, right? Right or wrong?
You keep your sister's account?
I do.
That's a little strange.
It may be.
No,
we are
I
two
don't
different people, ma'am.
Well, it doesn't. You can't be two different people if you're keeping her account.
You are you, and I am me. This is a different
Go
account.
back to the other one.
Look. This is the
Go
different.
back to the other one.
This is the other one. Right. This is my sister's account.
That's you. Ma'am, turn around. You're under arrest. The driving while suspended.
Can't even make it to work, bro. I should have pulled the off.
You want to tell me your name now? Because I know it
I
now.
told you my name.
Chantel. Alright, so you're going to get taken back to the station. You're going to get fingerprinted
Okay,
anyway.
okay, let's
Your
do
name's
what we
going to come
gonna
back
do.
as shouldn't tell.
Okay, let's do what we gonna do, bro. I ain't into the topic.
Central
I'm
Beach.
irritated.
I
I'm
got
supposed to
one.
go to work. Oh, this about nothing, bro. I should have pulled the out. Took y'all ass on high speed. Are you making your money?
Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying, sir.
Yeah, you are. You're
I'm
clearly not even going to work.
I'm going to work. If you want to see, I go to work
What time
from 3.
do you work?
I work from 3 in the morning to 10 in the morning.
I believe that, but you're lying to me about your name. You just pulled up Chantel's Instagram on the story as you.
Okay.
How dumb do you think I am?
Okay.
You think I'm
If that's
stupid?
what make your money, bro. Okay.
That's you. Come on. All right. Right.
Okay.
Is that you?
Okay.
Now you're looking at another charge for lying.
Yeah.
Alright.
Y'all get paid for this?
Of course I get paid for
Of course.
my job.
I'm saying y'all get paid extra for it. So take people in.
So you don't want that bag or anything?
Where y'all finna take my car to?
Huh?
Where y'all finna take my car to?
I'll give you that information when we get to the station. It's gonna get towed.
331.
Where to though? That's what I'm saying.
I'll give you that information when we get to the station.
5400 West 95th Street.
Can I call my job and tell them that I got arrested?
We'll give you calls at the station.
But don't have the number is in my phone.
I'm gonna grab your phone.
Bring your phone with you to the station.
Just give me a second.
Gee.
In the end, the woman was charged with obstructing identification and even had an active warrant. What started as a simple traffic stop turned into an arrest, all because she refused to be honest. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, a lie might save you a moment, but it can cost you your freedom. Up next, we'll see how one woman's bad attitude turns a routine traffic stop into a complete nightmare.
I got Ziggy's.
I
got Ziggy's phone number in here for you. I got Ziggy's phone. You have an attitude issue.
Yeah, I do.
On July 30th, 2024, a Des Moines police officer pulled over a car after learning the registered owner had a suspended license. The stop started normally, until the driver refused to hand over her documents and insisted on just giving her name.
Oh, give your license, registration, insurance.
I'll give you my name.
What's your name?
Melissa Freeman.
All right, Lisa, hop out for me.
Y'all know y'all is something serious.
Why? Because you're barred and you're driving? Okay, stand in front of my car.
This is the turning point. The officers have no choice but to issue lawful commands because the driver refuses to comply.
Back. Face my car. You gonna change your attitude, or how bad you want to go to jail?
I don't want to go to jail at all, but can I tell you something? I just got pulled over.
Well, I don't want to listen to your attitude. We are on something serious. You're driving while barred. I'm not affording you any graces today, then, if we're going to have an attitude.
Sorry, sir.
For something you did, not me. I didn't tell you to drive, and I didn't make your license barred. Let's walk to the back right of my car, please. You have anything on you?
No.
Okay, any pockets, nothing in your bra that a female will find when she comes here and searches you?
No.
All right, have a seat. All right, what's the scenario here? Do you have a license, sir? Okay. Is there anyone that has a license in this car?
I can call somebody.
What's that?
I can call somebody. But I can call somebody who are literally going right here.
So you know her license status better than her? I'm not going to sit here and argue with you guys because she started off arguing with me already. She's barred. You want to make her situation worse, I can tow this car. I don't care.
No, I'm sorry.
None of you have a license. Why would you be able to drive the car?
Just follow. Just try to hold.
Nobody has a valid license. I cannot let you drive. That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know. It's not good. I'm not sure it's like
Sir.
If you have a license.
Sir, please, man. Just follow us to Oak Ridge, okay?
I'm not following you to Oak Ridge. You don't have a license.
I'll park the car there.
If somebody has a license, by all means, but I can't let you drive if you don't have one. That's the whole point of a driver's license. It's not a driver's license.
ID though.
Is that a driver's license?
Can we call somebody?
If they're close, yeah.
What's happening to my sister?
What? I haven't decided yet. Well, she can either go to jail or not go to jail, and it's based on if I want to not take her to jail. I'm not doing this. We'll tow the car. I don't care.
The officer lays it out plain and simple. Either she lets them tow the car, or she goes to jail. It's no longer a debate, it's procedure. At this point, the officer is done negotiating and is moving straight to consequences.
Yeah, all of you can exit the car and get walking because we're towing it.
Please, sir, please.
What are you doing with your hands?
Can I ask someone to get the car?
All right, keep your hands there.
Be respectful, man. Please, man. Please, man. We'll be respectful, man. Please, man. Please.
Can I ask someone to get the car, please?
What do you need out of the car?
Can I ask someone to get the car?
What? No, I'm towing it. So you guys need to get your personal belongings and get out of it. What do you need out of the car?
Can I ask someone to get the car, please?
Yeah, you can grab your personal belongings for sure.
I said, can I ask
No.
someone to get the car?
Nope.
For what?
I need you guys to grab your stuff and head out.
What are you doing with her?
She's going to jail.
For what?
Driving while barred.
Why?
Because she's driving while barred. I'm not arguing with you guys anymore. I'm not arguing.
But what is she going to jail?
Driving while barred. It's an aggravated misdemeanor.
Is she going to jail while what? I can't hear you.
Okay, this is the last chance. You guys can grab your personal belongings and leave, or you can all go to jail. I'm not going to tell you again.
No, I just want
Last chance. I told you she's going to jail for driving while barred.
Shut up.
Driving while barred.
Okay.
Grab your items.
We got a lot of shit going.
Last chance. I'm not going to tell you again. You're not going over there. Okay, you can go to jail too.
I can't go to jail for that, but move
Force
around.
this to another on my stop. Back up.
I'm trying to get her.
Put your hands down.
I just want to talk to her. I just want to talk to her. Please stop.
I'm going to get her, man.
Bro, why are you doing that, bro?
You need to stop always arguing with the police! Stop always arguing with the police! Ziggy! Can y'all just go? Just leave!
I just want to talk to her. Stop.
This lady's trying to pull the girl out of my back seat.
Okay, I'm fine.
Put your hand behind your
I'm
back.
not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back.
I will. Can I
Put your
turn?
left hand behind your
I can't
back.
turn because you're turning my other arm.
Your left arm needs to go behind your back.
Okay, I will. Ow! Bro, it hurt. Stop, bro.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
I was just talking
Back
to her.
up.
What
Go
did I
get
do
sprayed.
wrong?
Back up now.
But what did I do
Back
wrong,
up.
though? Can I talk to you, though? What did I do wrong?
Yep, step it up.
Stop it, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Can you stop, bro? Stop, bro.
I'll sit here until another car gets here. If you guys take another step forward, you'll get sprayed.
Zach! Listen to me! Connect. What is all this about? Can y'all just go?
Stop. I'm not doing nothing for you to be over doing that. I'm not doing nothing.
Stop moving.
I just put my purse back on my shoulder.
No, I don't care. You haven't listened this entire time.
It's a woman, though.
Great.
So take it easy.
TT, stop! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Hey, stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay with the car. Stay with the car. Stay with the car.
Get out of traffic.
Ridiculous. Want to deal with them? No, I don't think so. You good, brother? Yeah, I'm good.
Well, what am I getting detained for?
Well, we'll start with interference now. You want to try to pull her out.
I just went to the car to try to talk to her. And then you would say, I'm going to jail.
Come on, man, that's a female, bro.
Stand up.
Hold on, wait. Bro, be careful. I don't want you touching me.
Stand up.
Hey, yo, grab my purse. Grab my purse. No, wait.
No, don't look at me.
Zach, grab my purse, G. Grab my purse. Grab my purse. Stop. Don't take my purse off my seat, bro. Y'all always take for that.
Have a seat. Put
Why
your
you pushing me in
Nobody
there?
pushed you.
You did.
Put your feet in.
You did put. Wow. Why you pushing me in there? You did.
Put your feet in.
You did put. Wow. That's crazy.
And this is it.
98.
What's your name?
I don't want. Talk to my lawyer. I don't want to talk.
What's that?
Talk to my lawyer. I don't want to talk.
The woman keeps resisting the officers even after being handcuffed, repeatedly demanding to speak with her lawyer. The tension rises fast, and the back and forth turns into a dramatic showdown.
You guys can stay on that curb. If you enter the street one more time, you're going to jail. No, you're not grabbing anything out of the car. If they take a step on the street, they're going to jail.
All of y'all roll for a female? Man, y'all tripping, man.
Were they passengers? Were they passengers or were they just random people? Okay. You guys are not free to leave. You're not free to leave. That goes for you too, sir. You're not free to leave. You're not free to leave. You're being detained pending this traffic stop. You're not free to leave.
What? He said if I go over there. I didn't go over there. I'm over here, right?
Nope. You're still being detained. You're not allowed to leave the area.
Get the 200 block of meat.
I got a warrant?
Yeah.
You're being detained pending this traffic stop.
Being detained for what?
For the traffic stop.
What kind of car is it?
Did you not just hear what your partner said? Who's the one out? He said if I come over there, then
if you go over there, you're going in handcuffs.
But I'm over here.
Yes, and that's why you're not in handcuffs. You are being detained. You are not free to leave.
Get me out with 10 Adam and then you
I'm right here. Take my information, whatever you got.
Okay, what's your name?
Zachariah.
Zachariah. What's your last name, Zachariah?
Aroma Sami.
Aroma Sami. Do you have an ID on you?
I pulled over yesterday.
Do you have an ID on you?
My ID's not on me.
Okay. Is it in the car?
No. Got it on my phone.
You got a picture of it on your phone? Can I take a look at that?
But tell me why your partner just slammed my homegirl like that, man?
It's because she was resisting arrest.
No,
she was interfering with. She was interfering with his investigation.
That's a female, bro.
She was interfering with his investigation.
Female like that, bro. Crazy, bro. You want somebody to slam your sister like that?
What are you talking about, man?
Somebody slam your sister like that. You don't feel good about it?
My family probably would comply with all requests made by law enforcement. They probably wouldn't resist. You know that's littering, right? Well, I'm just trying to figure out the kind of person that would talk all this trash and then stand in front of 3 cops and litter. So I'm going to give you the option to pick that up right now, or you can go to jail too. Perfect. Thank you for doing that, sir. I really appreciate that.
Appreciate it.
You good?
Yeah.
The lady.
I was gonna come up here and do it, but Colin said he wants to, so we'll just hang tight till then.
Right.
Yeah.
Traffic stop?
Yeah, and she's barred, so that's why she got stopped.
Okay.
She was running her mouth at the beginning, pulled her out, and she was fine. Put her in cuffs, put her in the back. They all started getting mouthy in the car, so I'm like, fine, we'll tow it. Then they all started getting out. Well, I told them to get out. The female in the other seat comes back and tries to open the door for her.
Yeah.
So then I have her up against the car. She tries to push off a few times. The last time, kind of when she got some pretty good extension, so we just went to the ground.
Yep.
And then they're just causing a problem because of
And they were in the car?
All of them, yeah. Yep.
So apparently you're not supposed to arrest her for barred, and you're supposed to just let her
Yeah,
friend.
you can't understand that. It's yeah.
But you just let her friend.
Well, and she's fine. She completely understands, and she said, "I'm sorry they acted that way." You know, so it's not her; it's everybody else.
Okay.
Are they all going to for interference? Or?
I told them if they step in the street again, they're going to jail. So they've been compliant since then.
Okay. So you're gonna arrest two?
Yep.
And impound the car?
Yep.
Okay. And you're all good?
Yeah. I think I caught an elbow on the cement a little bit. I can't see it.
When you went down?
Yeah, you're a little skinned. It's not bleeding though.
That's how she goes.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. But she's being all right. And the other one's okay?
The other one is back in this car. I don't know what. She was really worried about her backpack. I don't know who took that off of her, but.
She had both of these?
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate it. But check.
I don't know if you guys would be able to take it or not. Oh, they want to know if they can take the car.
Do you want it searched? They were wanting to know the copy of the officers.
No.
Okay. All right. Just impound.
Yeah. She's going to jail for driving while barred. The other one's going for interference at a minimum. The car's being towed. You guys were already aware that the car was being towed. That's why you were asked to get out of the car. You were also informed that she was being arrested for driving while barred in the first place. So everybody knew what was going on.
I said I could call somebody, man.
Right. The problem is that nobody here has a license, right? And you wanted to call somebody. Where are they at? They're not here. Right? So we're not going to sit here. And that also wasn't the issue, right? I made the decision to tow the car. It is what it is.
Decision's done.
Outside of that, there's no reason for any other theatrics that occurred after that. No reason. The driver's barred. There's nothing that you guys can do about that. Nobody's coming for the car. You guys can hang out on the street. That's your right. Outside of that, we have no other interaction or explanation for you. That's what's happening.
Why is she driving?
And 334.
I'm Sergeant Hayes with Des Moines Police Department, okay?
304, we're going to put it in on a harassment report in your
Okay, so I just got up here.
I just tried to talk to her, and then she said, "Oh yeah, you're going to jail too."
Okay. All right, and I will talk to them about that, and we can get that all sorted out. Right now, I need to figure out who you are so we can get it correct.
I can tell you my name. I know there's no problem for that, but therefore, he arrested somebody else, not from mine. I was in the back seat.
Okay. So what is your name?
And my name is T.I.T.
Okay.
No, actually.
So it's nothing on these IDs?
T-E-T-C-H-O-N-G, last name B-U-K. Can I see the ID you have?
Well, wouldn't you know your name without the ID?
No, what ID you have right now in your hand?
I have two of them.
No, my ID is in my purse.
Yeah, there's two of them.
Can I see which one so I can show you?
Can you just tell me your actual
T-E-T-C-H-O-N-G, last name B-U-K, as Gak Book, Tichian Book out. I have no charges. I have no warrant, no nothing. I'm clean. I'm just moved here. I'm May 3rd. I'm 18.
Okay. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. So if I had to guess, I would definitely say she looks like this one.
Okay.
She eventually, and I wouldn't show her the IDs because she goes, "Can I see him?" I said, "You shouldn't need to see an ID to know your name, right?" So she spelled that first name, but she did not give the same last name, but she did give that date of birth.
Okay.
I would say that's your closest bet.
Run both and see which one.
And then I trying to figure out, like, none of these were what she spelled. I don't even remember what she said, but it wasn't that, or that for a last name. It was just this first name and that date of birth. So.
Well, I'll just send her up on nothing then and see what happens.
I mean, I just think it's odd that you would need to see the ID to tell me which one you are.
That looks like her.
But it does look like her to me. But again, I don't.
1997. She'd be like
well, and there's no way that one's her. I can tell you that is not her for sure. Now that looks like her, but I don't know if that's a real ID or a real name. It's weird to me that she is now. However,
the age makes
that she did her last name she was spelling was with a B, how she signed it.
Okay.
So maybe she is telling the truth about her last name, but she sure didn't get it put on the license in that way. So that, because it started with a B and ended in a K.
Okay.
So that is the last name she gave me on the signature, but it doesn't match the ID. So yeah.
So.
And she also says she did nothing, just so you know.
Right. She didn't try to open the door for her buddy to get out of the back seat.
You good?
Yeah, I got a scrape, but that's my own fault for landing on my elbow. So they get out of the car. The back left passenger, as I'm talking to them, walks in front and then starts walking back to where the other girl is to talk to her. I'm like, no, you're not talking to her, get over here. And I'm like, otherwise you can go to jail. She keeps walking. I'm like, fine, you can go to jail. Then she walks up to the door to try to grab it. So when I push her up against the door, we sit there. That's when I said speed him up because she keeps trying to push off. So I just hold hand control and I'm looking at them. I'm like, you guys step 1 foot closer, you're both getting sprayed. Because they're coming up, they're at my hood now. So then about the time that this car gets here, she pushes off again and then finally just dumps it on the ground. Yeah, I mean,
What am I detained for? I shouldn't be going to jail for trying to talk to somebody.
I'm gonna come talk to you in just a second. I'm just gonna get out of the middle of the road.
But what am I detained for? If I did, all I tried to do is walk to the door and he pushed me in the car.
I'm Sergeant Quinn with the One Police Traffic Unit. One of my officers, the one that's out the car. So,
what's going on?
I'm gonna ask you. So, what happened?
Okay, so when I came to the car, he pulled the officer. He pulled the other officer off, right? I came out the back seat, so I just walked towards the back seat, and then he's like, okay, you're going to go to jail too. I said, for what? I just want to talk to my sister. And then, next thing you know, he just pushed me on the floor and then put me in handcuffs. I said, well, I'm detained for. He said, you're detained for, I don't know what. He didn't say nothing. He just said, I'm detained. But that's kind of rough as a woman.
Okay. Well, at this point, so this was your sister that was driving?
Yeah, and I just walked to the car, but she was yelling through the window, so I just walked to the car. I didn't think that was a problem for me to walk to the car.
It absolutely is, because she's under arrest. She's in the car.
I know, but I'm just worried about her, so you gotta understand where I'm coming from.
We can have conversations after that.
And I never hit the officer or nothing.
I don't think.
He literally pushed me to the ground, and everybody was saying, that's a woman. I'm 18, I'm young. I'm just worried. That's it.
When the police tell you to do something, you have to do that.
But he didn't tell me to do nothing. He just pushed me. The only reason why I started fighting back when he just grabbed my hands and he pushed me against the car. That's when I was like, move.
Okay.
Other than that, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Did you know that he was a police officer?
Of course I know he was a police officer. You could see the whole outfit, the whole everything.
Right.
So I'm going to jail for what?
Yeah, we're going to go to jail for interference with official acts.
Okay. Is that my social ID?
Let's see. Do you know your social?
That's my shit. Put
Do you know your social?
Put my back in my purse. It's not for y'all
Hey,
to
she
be
slipped
doing
her
that.
cuff.
Huh?
She slipped her cuff if she's
Okay.
if she's knocking like that.
It's not your shit to be doing that.
Just roll it a crack for me.
While the woman is trying to slip away, the officer has no idea. He's still busy recounting the whole incident to his colleague, explaining that the driver was arrested for driving while barred and pointing out who's being charged with interference.
Yeah, you tell me.
Social?
I'm not gonna hit nobody. I'm going to jail. I accept it.
Right,
but
can you tell me your social?
My purse. Where is my purse at? Yep. Everything. Put everything back in my bag.
I got Z's.
Don't touch my. Put everything back in my bag.
I got Ziggy's.
Put everything back in my bag.
I got Ziggy's phone number in here for you.
I
got Ziggy's phone number in here for you.
Okay, there's no drugs.
Wow, you're such a kind and polite person.
And zip it up.
No.
The f you do my bag for?
Talking
You're weird as hell.
You have an attitude issue.
Yeah, I do. The fuck? The f out of here. Beat your ass when I come out of
She
here.
did slip her cuff, so we're gonna have to put her in cuff. Yeah, and if she
put everything back in my bag. If my social's missing and my son's social missing, everything's missing. I swear to God, I'll sue your ass because I'm not supposed to be in here. All I did is walk to the fucking window and y'all go put niggas behind. Yeah, watch. That shit's over with. That shit's dead. Put my shit back in my bag and zip it up. This shit is important shit. I already gave my full name, my last name. Put them back in my bag. I'm not gonna hit nobody. I'm not gonna touch nobody. If I go to jail, I go to jail. It's life.
Right, you're gonna get out. Why are your hands in front of you and why are you out of handcuffs?
Huh? I took it on my own risk. But I'm not gonna hit nobody. I already told y'all. The same thing. my social security, everything. Can you please put it back in my bag?
Yep.
I don't want it. That shit to get missing. That shit's important.
It is important. You're exactly right. And we're going to make sure that it goes.
And can I see?
All right, Super Cop, go get her.
Or what he did to me?
Yeah.
And can I get his badge number and everything?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Hold on. Nope, I want you to scoot up and put your hands behind your back in here.
For what?
Because
Hey,
I'm telling you to.
somebody want to go over there? She's
But my badge number and everything.
Yeah, it's going to be on all your arrest paperwork.
Okay, bring this guy over here.
No,
got one
you're not
on.
in charge. You're not in control. I'm telling
No,
you to
I'm
lean
not
up
saying
there.
not control. I want your
I'm
badge
telling you-
number right now.
I'm telling you to lean up there, put your hands behind your back, or I'm going to make you do it.
I'm not scared about it.
I know you are.
Go ahead.
Yep, that'd be great.
I got 3 on me that I'm scared to go to jail. I'll go back again.
What?
You're afraid to go to jail.
I'll tell you myself. But what am I detained for?
Interference.
You're not detained. You're under arrest.
Yeah, some rightful rudder.
Are you going to come with us?
No, don't touch me, bro.
We're going to this wagon.
Please don't touch me. Out of here, bro. Y'all ass weird as hell, bro.
Well, you're in our custody, so we have to...
I don't give a fuck. Y'all niggas weird as hell. I don't give a fuck. Y'all ass
Let's not
weird as hell.
spit while you scream.
I don't get no fuck. Y'all niggas weird as fuck. On my soul. Weird as hell. Out of here.
It's a low ceiling. Watch your head when you
I
sit
don't give
down.
a fuck.
Hey! What? No. Absolutely. Okay. Get in there. Let's go. No.
That's still on a PL. Congrats.
Off me, bro.
TT, calm down, please.
You can take her to the ground.
Please calm down.
Move, I'll get up, bro.
Just let
Why are you kicking? Why are you kicking? That's not working. Got it?
Turn to your belly. Lay on your belly.
Something like
That was unnecessary.
So unnecessary, but how you have a nigga put me on the fucking bar like this? You got kicked for what?
I did, and she threatened to beat me as well. So.
Did you get kicked too? This one?
Bro, move, I can get up, bro. Everybody finna hit y'all.
Oh no, you're gonna sit on the ground just like that.
Y'all police, but y'all ain't on shit.
All right, get in.
I'm trying to, but y'all lock my feet up, right? Am I right or wrong?
Scooch back.
TT, come. Oh my God.
I'm trying to get up. I'm supposed to get up.
Scooch back.
Turn my leg, bro. Get it off me.
No,
I'm
it's
not
my
gonna
stick
get
behind you. Scooch back.
it, bro. Nigga, y'all can get on.
God. How lovely. So, you have to get that taken off.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
I know I'm tall.
Yeah, let's get the
You got my
helmet back
purse and
taken
stuff?
off.
No fighting and stuff. I'm not gonna fight. Am I phone in there?
Hold on.
No, I'm not fighting no more. I'm looking corrupted.
You're gonna work with us?
Yeah,
Great.
sign me up.
No, your phone got left in the car.
Oh, you did ass.
In the end, the woman faced several charges, including driving while barred and interference with official acts. What started as a minor traffic violation quickly escalated into a dramatic arrest because of her defiant attitude. What do you think about how she reacted to the officers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Up next is police bust 19-year-old gambling with a stolen credit card.
Don't lie to me. Don't run. Do not run.
I just found out I was pregnant. I want to tell him, please. I didn't know it was stolen. I didn't know none of that. If I knew I did something wrong, I probably would have dipped out of there. I was just being really stupid back then. Like, this is a complete accident.
On June 4th, 2024, officers responded to a local business after reports of a couple using a stolen credit card while gambling, and this is what the body cam captured.
That's all right. You got your ID with you?
Yeah, can I ask what's going on?
Well, we have a problem with the credit card inside, I guess, huh?
I didn't use no credit card, bro.
Okay.
Oh, literally.
All right. Just an ID would be great, man. Did you try to use a credit card to pay for some soda or something?
Sir, I have not used no credit card.
You didn't?
We were just playing the slot machine. That's it.
What's your name, dear?
Bella?
Tell me something on your current driving record.
I don't drive.
You must have had a citation sometime in your life?
I've never been pulled over or anything like that.
Never?
Never.
Never gotten a ticket for nothing?
No, I've just been...
You ever been arrested by anything?
No, I have not.
How do I know this is you?
It should come up under my name and
Well, anybody
address.
can give me a name.
This is my boyfriend. He knows that I'm Bella.
Well, I understand that, but I'm trying to confirm whoever one is. You
I completely
understand?
understand this, sir.
So sometimes people have a contact with police.
Do you have a C-type charger? I can get this turned on. I can get the ID.
I do not.
Do you mind if I just pat you down real quick? It's an officer safety thing. Make sure you don't have any weapons or guns or anything on you. Do you have anything like that on you? No. Okay, don't reach in your bag at all for me, okay? What's your name again? Anthony. So do you know why we're here right now?
You said something about a credit card.
Okay. What were you guys doing inside?
I was playing the slots.
And how were you playing the slots? What were you doing? How were you playing on the slots? Did you use cash?
Yeah,
Did you use a card?
Yeah.
Okay. And how did you get the cash? Did you already have the cash on you? Did you use it from them?
No, I already had it on me.
So why would we get a call about you guys using a credit card?
I have no idea. I don't even use credit cards myself, other than my Cash App card. That's it.
You have a Cash App card? So you don't have any on you, you're saying?
No, I don't.
Where do you guys stand?
We were actually just at the Motel 6.
Did you give your ID to those guys?
No, I'm there with my friend T. He's somewhere around here. That's where we were just headed. Tuki. We call him Tuki.
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 How does the guy get a name of Tuki?
I don't know. His name's Jackson. I guess his real name is Jackson. This is what ID says, but I call him Tuki.
Where do you work?
I work at Red Lobster.
Oh, nice.
It was a description of you and her that were using said card, so...
Bro, I didn't use no credit cards. She don't have no cards on her. She don't even have a purse on.
Was she using a card or what? So you guys were using the slot machine, you said
I was playing the slots.
Yep.
Or with her.
Yep.
And I don't know.
Win anything today or did they take you?
I won a little bit.
Won a little bit?
This will be even easier. Let's just use your fingerprint real quick. Just your index finger?
You ever dealt with officers before?
Yeah.
What'd you deal with us for last?
You guys stopped this on the east side.
Can you guys able to just both take a seat on the curb for me just while we're talking here? You don't need to be anxious. I just don't want you to take off running. That'd be a foolish thing to do.
The officer firmly commands, "Do not run," as tension spikes. The woman's anxiety becomes visible, and the situation shifts from calm questioning to emotional chaos.
So, I don't know. People do weird things, right? Told you that before. So, okay, where do you have to be?
Work.
Where's work?
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster? What do you do at Red Lobster?
Waitress.
What time is your shift for?
It's not a shift. I have to go pick up some stuff.
That doesn't make sense. You work at Red Lobster,
I have to go pick up my check. Since I don't have a mailing address, they just give me a paper check, and I haven't had a way to get over there until Jackson came along just now.
Okay.
So he's my ride there.
Who's Jackson?
Our friend.
Was Jackson just here with you guys? Did he leave already or what?
Don't lie to me.
Don't run. Do not run.
Okay,
Do not run.
I'm not running. I'm not running. I'm not
Stay
running.
sitting.
Anthony, I love you. Anthony, I love you. Please look at me, Anthony.
Just relax. Hey,
Please look at me, Anthony. I love you.
Just relax. I told
Look,
you,
I love
don't be
you.
stupid.
Let go.
Let go.
Please, can I get a kiss from you?
No, we're done that. We're done with that.
Please, Anthony, I love
Just
you.
stay seated, sir. Thank you.
Why am I under arrest?
You lied to me.
And?
Yeah, you can't lie to me.
Do I have a warrant?
You cannot lie to
I have
me.
a warrant. Please tell me if I have a warrant.
Well, that's why you're in cuffs right now.
Because I have a warrant?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, because you lied to me.
Oh, there you go.
You told me the
But I
wrong
would have
name.
been in, I still would have gotten arrested with the warrant, right?
Yeah, well, you don't lie to me. Now you got another charge.
Can you please just talk to him? At least talk to him, please.
we're
I'm begging
beyond
you,
that.
please. Just
Nope,
talk to him,
just relax.
please.
Hey, I'm closing the door.
All right, just to be honest with you, I'm not in the mood to deal with someone lying to me. Did you use a credit card to try to pay for a soda or not? Did you ever try to pass a credit card? Did she try to pass a credit card?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You were sitting there, right?
I was playing the slots.
You were playing the machines?
She wasn't. She didn't use no credit card. I gave her cash.
Okay, so why do you think we got called here?
No idea.
Okay, you do understand if you're lying to me, I'm not going to be happy.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay.
I didn't use no credit card. I won't.
I'm going to go find out, and we're going to find out for sure. Where is the credit card, or what's the story with the credit card?
So here is what happened. So they tried to purchase a soda up at the bar. They were strictly came in, went right to our gambling machines.
Yep.
They tried to purchase a soda. Immediately after that, it declined it. Immediately after that, a woman called and said her wallet was stolen and that her card just tried being used here.
Where's the card?
We don't have it.
Okay, so you tried to run it?
Yes. She is the one that they tried to purchase the soda from. The woman tried to use both cards.
She has two cards?
Yeah.
Did the mail do anything?
Well, he did a couple of things that were pretty odd. So he won like $20 out of the machine. He kept going into the women's bathroom to check on her, and he was pacing back and forth throughout the entire restaurant.
Okay.
But he would just come up to the bar and ask for that $20, and then he like said something about my tattoos, but that was it.
Okay, but he never used a credit card.
No.
So for now, I'm going to release you, okay? If I find you have more involvement into this, well, there's more to this story that I don't have completely told yet. There is a credit card being used that is stolen. That's not, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, it got stolen from somewhere. If you were there when it got stolen and you show up as part of being when the card got stolen, then you're going to be involved. Does that make sense? Okay. It appears you guys may have some issues being homeless. You got to try and figure those out. Fair enough?
Yep, you can take your bag back.
This your bag? Okay, can I look in it for those credit cards? Who's this?
That's mine.
That's not your name.
That's my girlfriend's. She's in jail. I use it. Anna Luisa Skinador's in jail right now. That's my baby.
Okay, hold on 1 second. He's figuring a couple things out.
It's not your name, and you have a credit card that doesn't belong to you.
It's a Cash App card.
Okay, you're a suspect in all this stuff, so, I mean, I think you can put 2 and 2 together of what we're doing here, right?
She's yelling like
whatever. She's gonna yell. She can yell all she wants.
I let you do it. Calm down.
Is this the card?
No, they're both purple and pink.
Purple and pink?
Yeah, that's not it.
I mean, I can't confirm that that's your girlfriend, obviously. You know that, right? I don't want to get you into trouble. I just don't want the person that has a stolen credit card to keep having trouble. I'm not sure if this is a friend of yours or a new girlfriend of yours or who she is to you.
My girlfriend.
Credit card in the back.
Thanks.
Yep.
I get it, but you understand what you're hanging around with, right? Let me ask you a personal question, if I may.
That's hers. I mean, that's hers. That's not mine.
If I may ask, you guys into?
I don't use.
Now, remember, I'm not new to this game. I see all the marks on her face, and I see a few marks on your face. There's anything I can do to encourage you to get off of it, or help you try and figure out how you can clear that stuff up?
Homeless. I don't know. You know what I mean?
Right. You got her cell phone, right?
Yeah, I have it in my back pocket.
I don't have money as it is.
I get that, but I get that, but I'm not blind. I see what's going on, and I know what goes on in the world in sometimes your world. So my goal here is just trying to encourage you to get off it, to get yourself back on. Playing at the casino or playing gambling machines is not going to make your life any better. It's only going to make it worse. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Well, I'm asking you, is there a way I can convince you to do that?
I'm gonna tell you something. I've had a tough life, bro.
Yep.
And I have literally nobody.
I get it.
I literally have nobody. And it's been hard for me right now, not having nowhere to go, sleeping outside, sleeping in the rain, walking in the rain, not having, you know what I mean? Like, not having a place to go.
I completely 100% understand those difficulties.
It's even hard to even just, get a job even.
Yep. Because without an address, without a place.
Sleep where,
Correct. Yep.
And I've tried
doing there yet, bud.
I've tried doing third shift. That don't help me when I'm up all day during the day.
Yep, I totally understand what you're talking of. You can't succeed tomorrow without trying today. If you never take a step forward and always take a step backwards, you'll never get to where you're going. Even though it might be the hardest journey of your life, you still have to try to move your journey forward.
Like, I sat in jail for 9 months by myself. I didn't have no whites, no canteen, no money on the phone. Yep. I wrote people, they never wrote me back. Everybody just pretty much gave up on me. So that's why I don't know.
Do you understand what I mean, though?
Yeah.
You cannot step forward unless you do that on your own. There's nobody in this world, and as bad as this world is getting, nobody in this world is going to reach out to you and say, hey, I can take care of you.
I didn't want that. I just want someone to act like they care.
Exactly.
That's all that I wanted.
I'm giving you that care right now, trying to encourage you to do something. I'm asking you if I can do something to help you or trying to encourage you to do. Because that's the only thing I have is encourage you and asking you to try and take a step forward on your own.
Right.
Gambling machines, even though it works that way, is not going to help you.
In a heartbreaking moment, she breaks down and confesses, I just found out I was pregnant, begging to hear her boyfriend's voice. But as she finally shows weakness and regret, it's already too late.
It'll help my anxiety, everything. Please, I'm begging you. Can I just hear his voice one more time? I don't know how long I'm gonna be going away. Please, I'm just begging you. Please, just one time, please.
You already talked to him.
I didn't talk to him. I wasn't talking.
I was
please.
watching you guys talk. You were talking.
Please, sir. Please.
No.
Why? What did I do wrong? I just need to tell him something.
No.
I was supposed to tell him at the end of today, please. I just found out I was pregnant. I want to tell him, please. It's all I want to tell him. Please, sir, please. We've been wanting a baby for so long.
And you can wait longer.
No. Anthony! Can I get bailed out today?
Potentially. We have other charges with you too, though.
What?
You used the credit card fraudulently.
I didn't use the credit card.
Oh, okay.
He handed it to me and told me to go try and pay it. That's all I did. I didn't know it was wrong. I threw them away because they were gone. They just didn't work. He said to throw them out, so I threw them out. I was in the bathroom forever because I have a picking problem. I just threw them in the container. I didn't try to use them, though. Like, he's the one who found the thing. He gave them to me. He got them at the courthouse today. He told me that they were his friends. Anthony! I love you!
Hi. Did you have a credit card stolen? Okay, did you report this to the police? You did? When?
You're on probation, huh?
I'm supposed to meet my PO. I was supposed to meet her on Monday, and then my boyfriend ran off with my phone.
Oh.
So I wasn't able to call her and ask her where and when and everything.
Right.
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh, you're on for fraud.
Yes, I do have a history of fraud, but I didn't use the credit card. That's what I'm saying. I promise I did not use that card. I didn't know it was stolen. I didn't know none of that. He said it was his friends.
He's on probation for fraud also.
It was stolen at 10:30 in the morning, Brown County Courthouse.
Sounds about right. She said that's where he got it from. And then she took it and put it in the...
She'll give you a statement on who took it, whatever else.
She said it was him, but...
Yeah, just get a statement on it.
I just ran her and I didn't see a warrant. I just saw she's on probation, but no warrant. Yeah, she must have taken it out already. She's got one. What is it for? Probation violation. Okay, yep, you did have a warrant. Look at that.
I did? Was it for my probation?
Yep, it was.
Okay, because I didn't ever write or anything on Monday. I texted I texted her and she said to show up 2 o'clock tomorrow, but she said there is an active warrant until then. So I was aware of that. I need to get control of my anxiety. I panic and I lie about my name and I don't know why I always do that. This is my 4th, 5th time now doing it.
Well, don't do that.
I try hard. I try so hard. I have my name ready to go and then I say the wrong shit.
Take a breather. It's not a big deal. Okay.
I don't know how long I'm going to be in there.
Go to jail for just a little bit.
I was just in there for 8 months.
You got a couple charges, nothing that's going to be earth-shattering, okay? So you want to give me a statement about everything that happened today?
No. Would it look better if I did?
This is up to you, whatever you want to do.
What looks better?
Well, this is, in your words, what everything happened was today.
Okay, then yes.
I'll have to read you your Miranda rights first, though.
Okay. What day is today? Tuesday?
Yep, it is.
So hopefully it'll be up by the end of the week. My boyfriend is right there. He's coming back. Wait, he's trying to talk to you. He's trying to talk to you. He needs help. He got left, please.
What's that? Where'd your friend go?
I love you!
I thought she had said Fairfield earlier.
Yeah, they were just parked over there. Tell him.
Where they were parked, she said.
No, don't just leave him.
I have nothing to do with him.
I don't want him to just be left here. Tell him to go towards the Motel 6 and Quick Trip.
She said check Motel 6 and the Quick Trip.
I love you! So we walked over to American Inn to go play some of the slot machines. We got kicked out because we didn't have a room. I didn't know they switched that rule. Then I called Porker John's before we went over there. Then we walked over there because they said they got slots and we were going to buy a drink.
What were you using to play that?
Some cash.
Where'd you get the cash?
Anthony had the cash.
Where did you get the cash?
From me.
Where'd you get the cash from?
My friend.
Your friend who?
I got it from, I was robbing somebody. It's like robbing a trick. Well, it's not even robbing. His name is Face. He brought me the money, thought he was going to get something for it, and I didn't come back.
Okay, so
that's pretty much what happened with that.
Slots with money that you got. Did you guys use the card anywhere?
He told me that when we got to Porker John's, he sent me...
walked to Porker John's?
Yeah, we did. After we called them and found out they had slot machines too. We walked up to... When we got in there, we played the game a little bit. And then he asked me to go up and pay for a drink. I said, okay, give me some cash. He says, no, I gave you those cards, remember? I said, is it okay if we use these cards? Do you know whose they are? He said, yeah, I told you, they're my friends. For a purchase less than $2. And when it didn't work, I said, okay, then give me a minute, I'll get my cash app up. Because I was already doubting my boyfriend. I was already doubting the whole plan. I doubted it from the start, but I didn't want to upset him. We went and sat back down at the table and he said, did it work?
I said, no, it didn't work, but I'm going to try and get some money on my Cash App card. He said, I got this. Just hold on 1 second. He pulled out two $20 bills. And he went and put one more in the machine that I wouldn't played with him. And we lost the whole 20. And then we came back to sit down. And that's when we started getting ready to go because our friend was messaging us. Like, if I knew I did something wrong, I probably would have dipped out of there. I just don't know what else to do. I want to hear my boyfriend's voice again. I have attachment problems.
Yeah.
And when this kind of thing happens, I just go into panic mode because I'm not by them or hearing them or anything. I just lose it.
You'll be on the phone with them in no time.
I know, I'm trying to think of that. I'm trying so hard to think about that, but I can't.
Well, there you go. Then you're good to go.
I didn't hurry.
So then you know what you need to do, right? So
I'm trying to calm down.
Right.
Do my parents get notified if I'm arrested right away?
No.
How do they find out?
How old are you?
19.
Yeah, no, they won't get notified at all. You're an adult.
They got notified last time?
Well, I don't know why.
Would it be because they're a victim?
Were they a victim?
They were. That would be why?
If they're a victim, what are they a victim of?
The card fraud?
Well, then yes, of course.
I don't have any violent cases.
No.
Never. I would never hurt somebody.
Do you have anything on you that I should know about?
No.
At all?
Well, that's what I was checking. I had eyeliner in my bra. I don't know.
Nothing else on your person anywhere?
No, there's absolutely nothing.
Okay, because when we go into jail, they use a scanner.
I know, there's nothing.
Okay. Alright, what was your first name again? We just gotta hang tight for just a minute here, okay? While they come out here.
I've been out for less than a month.
Was it here, or was it somewhere else? Was it for PMP again? Same thing?
It was, no, I just got on probation. I got sentenced last time I was here.
Oh, okay.
It's just because I have so many cases that I wasn't showing up to court. And I was just being really stupid back then. Like, this is a complete accident.
Yeah.
I didn't do this.
At the station, the truth finally comes to light. The wallet's owner shows up, confirming her card was stolen and never given to anyone. She recalls searching desperately, Yura even checking trash cans and manholes, hoping to find it. But by now, the damage is done. No more excuses, no more lies. The girl must face the consequences of her own choices.
Just have a chair. Do you have your ID with you by any chance?
I don't. It was in the wallet that was stolen.
Unfortunately, right?
Right.
Okay, you gave no one permission to use your credit card is my portion of it. Okay? Because the jurisdiction that your card was stolen in is in the county deals with.
Okay. She didn't come in the courtroom with no wallet. But we had gone to the clerk of courts before we went up to the courts. And we're wondering, because she put her receipt from the clerk of courts in her wallet. So I don't know if she dropped it maybe in the elevator.
Can you just put your name on the top of that, please? So she should be able to identify where she had traveled, and they'll just follow her around.
Well, she's all upset because everything was in there, her Social Security card, everything.
There's no money in it.
There was
no money, like nothing of value. She wasn't able to cash anything out of
it.
You cancel all of them, obviously.
Yeah.
Did they find the wallet? You don't know where it is?
We looked and someone, I'm guessing one of your officers put it to her and she disclosed that she threw it in a manhole on Doty and Jefferson.
So we checked those and we didn't see it.
It was in the call notes, I don't know.
Oh, I don't know anything about that. I haven't talked to him. I haven't talked to him. I haven't had a chance.
Okay.
She even went into the bathrooms at the courthouse to see if the garbage is...
Yeah, and once we can check some video footage, we can see who may have taken it or who was in there at that time and start matching them up.
Theft.
Yeah, but we have theft.
Yeah.
And then
your
if
items.
the credit card stuff, it'll be tied in.
Yeah,
she's out. Our case number?
She's out on bond. I believe I have it. One's a debit card. What was the other one?
They're both debit cards.
They're both debit cards.
Yeah.
And she tried them on both. You do know that?
No, I just know about the Wisely one. I didn't know about the other one.
Okay, because...
But they're both locked, so... The
Yes,
Wisely one is the one that informed me that the transaction was declined.
She did try both credit cards, or tried to run both numbers on that credit card.
Okay.
And it was like $3.
In the end, the girl was charged with credit card fraud, possession of stolen property, and attempted theft. All serious offenses that can lead to felony charges. What started as a small lie quickly spiraled into something that could ruin her future. Let this be a reminder, no matter how desperate you are, trying to cheat the system or cover up a mistake will only make things worse. Always choose honesty, because the truth will come out sooner or later. What do you think about her actions? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't go anywhere. In the next video, entitled Karen Gets Tased and Arrested in 15 Seconds, things happen even faster and more shockingly.
No, get the off
her, cuz!
Get off! I promise.
Okay.
Don't
get away.
Don't take it. Don't take it.
I got one taser point, 2 hit me already.
In the early morning, police responded to reports of a suspicious car crash. When officers arrived, they found a damaged vehicle and 2 suspects, a man and a woman, fleeing the scene. What started as a traffic stop quickly turned into a tense confrontation, and within just 15 seconds, the woman was tased and arrested on the spot.
Walking towards that picture.
There's
2, it's a guy and a girl.
Are you the one that called?
No, the other lady, she's over there. But they took off walking that way.
You know what they were wearing?
That I don't know.
Yo! Hey! Come here, dude. Hey, chill out. What's going on?
We're fighting.
Dude, chill out. Come here.
Yo, chill.
Just come here. Chill. Come here. Chill. Come here, dude.
Get off me.
Yeah, second unit by the buildings. Come here, dude. Come here. Yo, get the off her, cuz! Get the off her! Get the off her! Don't do her like that!
Don't do it like that. You tase me. Tase me.
No, stop.
I promise.
Okay.
Don't
get away.
Don't tase me. Don't tase me.
I got one taser point, 2 hit me already.
Don't tase it. Here.
Get on the floor right now.
I got you.
Get down.
Don't tase it.
Get on the floor right now. Get on the floor.
Yeah.
Get on the floor.
Don't tase her. Don't tase her. Don't tase her, please. I won't do nothing. I don't have nothing on me, sir. I promise. Here.
Why'd you have to throw him? That was you being aggressive.
How primitive.
That was you being
I'm
aggressive
17.
for no reason.
I don't give a you hit me. Shut up and stay on the floor.
I'm 17. You getting charged for that shit.
You might be wondering, well, why were they acting so crazy and fighting the cops in the first place? Turns out they were driving drunk, and when officers pulled them over, they tossed a bong and several beers out the window, trying to hide the evidence. Of course, that only made things worse from there.
Goofy ass little boy.
Hit her.
I was the one driving. Oh, you just slam my
Stop.
I'm 17. I'm 17. You can't be driving. Here. Here's my hand. I promise. Here's my hand. I promise. Here.
Get up!
Here, baby, give me the hand. Give me your hand.
No!
Please. Please. Baby, say please.
No!
Please, it's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
he punched you.
It's okay.
He did not!
It's okay. I pushed you. Only I pushed you, sir. Only I pushed you. I pushed you, sir.
Stop.
I pushed you.
I'm in a dress!
Get out.
Can you get my...
I'll get it right now. You can 10-3, and if you could start a soup for use of force.
Can I pull my dress down, please? Can I pull my dress down?
Yeah, you could 10-8 the channel.
Can I pull my dress down? I was driving my f***ing car, okay? Elijah, don't say nothing. Word for word, Elijah. Don't
And
say
if you
word.
have a FIO.
I'm not saying Don't say word. Elijah!
Get in.
He has my... Elijah!
She wasn't driving, it was me.
I get you, but why? Why'd you go this far?
It's her birthday, sir. I don't want her to get in trouble. It was me driving and stuff, and I
Did you see? Okay, let's say you were DWI.
Yes,
let's
sir.
say
I was DWI.
that's as far as this would have
I
gone.
was.
But now you hit me.
Yes, sir.
Now
I
you
get
hit
charged. Yes, sir.
I mean, come on.
understand. I already been charged before, sir. I don't have nothing on me.
Nothing?
Yes, sir. I approved
Yeah.
this.
Do you have anything else on you? What do you have? Nothing else? You don't have a phone or anything? Take a seat. Take a seat. You don't have a phone?
What else did you guys have? What
Is that
did you
your
pick
phone?
up? I'm asking, what did you pick
Your phone
up?
and your wallet.
Okay, let me
All
see
right,
it
take
so
a
I
seat.
know.
I'll give
Why
it to you
are
right
you
now.
pushing
Take a
on
seat.
me? I'm trying to be nice. Why are you pushing on me?
Is it this?
Yes, and I had something else.
What?
It was my keys.
Okay, they're over there. Take a seat. I'll go get your keys.
Okay.
My first question is, were you driving that vehicle?
It wasn't witnessed. Just noticed that the vehicle had damage to it.
No,
Who was driving that vehicle?
it was unknown.
Oh, it was unknown. Okay.
I was driving, cause
You were driving or it was unknown?
it was
I was driving.
This couple is wild. Yes, he tried to take the blame for her, and now she's doing the same for him.
You were driving?
I was driving.
So, who threw all the beer and the bong out from the vehicle?
Huh?
Yeah, the twisted teas and all that. Who tossed it out? Was it you or was it him?
We didn't have none of that. I literally just hit the pole, and we hit the pole, and that was it.
Okay. Have you been drinking?
No.
Okay, because I can smell
We're
it.
underage. We haven't been drinking.
It doesn't. Just because you're underage doesn't mean that you can't drink.
I haven't been drinking.
Because
I smoke.
there's witnesses that called in the crash saying that they saw you guys running away from the vehicle and throwing the beer on the field and the bong. So that's what I'm asking. Who was?
It's 7 a.m. Why the f are you drinking? What the
were partying out last night? Well, I'm just trying to.
Why the f would we be drinking at 7 in the morning?
You were driving, right?
Yes. Why the f would we be drinking at 7 in the morning?
You didn't. Who threw away the beer and the bong?
Nobody. We didn't have that. That's at my house.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because your buddy's saying otherwise. So, all right. How old?
19. I just turned 20 today.
All right. Yeah.
No way. You just laughed at me.
He's gonna check. Do you want him to check you out? Or wait, but stop. Take a seat here though. Don't look. If you start
Is Elijah okay?
Yes.
That's all I care about.
They're checking
Is
him out.
Elijah okay?
Yes, they're checking him out. I'll let
Can
you
I
talk
see
to
him for just a second?
Once they check you out, take a seat.
I literally am okay. I just want to see him for just a second. I won't resist
So
you. I won't
you don't want them to check you out
Can I just see him for a second?
after we're done here?
Yes. Look, all I did was hit my knee when you guys threw me on the ground and my shoulder. That's all. When you threw me on the ground. I think it was you. I don't. I just want to see Elijah for like 5 seconons, and then y'all can take me wherever y'all
All
want
right.
to take
So
me.
give me a second. I'll let you do that right now.
Okay. That's all I give
They're
a
gonna
fuck about.
take. He's gonna take pictures of you.
you, okay? Yeah, that's fine right there. Stay like that.
She's posing like it's a photo shoot, but this isn't a game. Those pictures are for evidence.
Do you have any weight injuries and all that from this?
Yeah, from when you threw me on the ground. Aggressive as like I'm a whole ass 90-year-old
You just stand there and
man.
I can. Anything else hurts?
Not that I feel right now.
You understand? Yes, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Go for it.
1, 2, 19, 20, 21, 2012, 2013, 2013.
Hey, that blood on your mouth. Was it him that did it, or what
No.
happened?
No.
Was it? Well, why is there like blood here? What happened there? I just want to know.
When I hit the pole, the fucking airbag deployed, okay?
So it's from the airbag?
Yeah, the
Okay.
airbag hit me in my fucking face.
Okay.
It's because when I tried to move, there was a box, and I swerved around it, and I ended up hitting the fucking pole, and I don't know, the pole deployed my airbags on me, I guess.
Okay. Which way were you guys going? Were you guys
That
going
way.
up Tulsa or down?
Down.
Down?
I was going, down, yeah.
So towards Valley? Okay. So you guys hit the pole and then like spun out?
I think so. It's because I was trying to avoid it. I don't know if it was a cat or a box, because I didn't have my glasses on, but it was a cat or a box that was in the middle of the road. When I swerved, it hit the pole.
Okay. All right. Give me a second.
You want to get litty on the weekends? You liar. Why are you so mad? It's already over, man.
In the end, the woman faced 3 serious charges: driving while intoxicated, DWI, leaving the scene of an accident, and battery on a law enforcement officer. What started as a night of partying turned into a chain of bad decisions. Her attempt to hide her mistakes only made things much worse. Running or fighting back never fixes the problem. It only makes the consequences heavier than the original mistake. What do you think about this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below.